I am a Nomad's Projects. Hi guys, and welcome back to the show. Today you get to see me do my first ever 3D print. First, we're doing a bed leveling test. I don't really consider that a print, even though it is. And then we'll be printing a fan cover for the motherboard box. As the fan is placed facing upwards, it needs some kind of protection on the Ender 3. Hope you enjoyed the video. Cheers. The bed leveling test was a success, so we can proceed with the fan cover. So here is the finished fan cover. Now, the test pattern I printed was pretty difficult to get out of the bed, so this is a bit exciting to see how it will work. Came off quite easily. So there it is. I have since realized that the shrouds you can see in front of the fan cover are supports for the print and removed them. Perfect. That's it for today, guys. If you liked the video, then make sure to see some of my older ones if you haven't already. Leave a like if you liked the video, it means a lot, and subscribe for more of this content.